Hey everybody, here we have our PyPortal controller for Home Assistant, and I just wanted to show you how that works. So basically, as you can see, I have this on-off button. So if I tap on that, you can see our light over here is going to be turning off. It does fade off, so it doesn't go immediately, but when I turn it on, it is going to turn on immediately. You can also see that switch over there is working. It actually works both ways, so if I turn on or off using the switch on Home Assistant, it does reflect that change here on our PyPortal. You can also see that we are pulling some temperature information to Home Assistant. We're also pulling the motion sensor information. It is probably going to go on and off since I am moving over here, but we are also pulling the light sensor information. So if I put my hand on it, you can see that meter goes up and down. And I'm pulling weather data from Home Assistant onto the PyPortal, as well as some bus times. And then let me show you the function of button 2, which is tied to some automation. So if I tap it, it is just going to slowly fade our light bulb up. That is like the routine that we had programmed, but I'm going to tap and hold it in order to activate party mode. And there we go. After a 4-second hold, it's going to start our party mode where it's playing music, and then it's also changing our light bulb so that we are shifting in colors over there, just like any good party is going to have. So that's it for the example of the PyPortal Home Assistant project, and this is all very highly customizable, so there's lots of other stuff you can do with it, but I'm finding this project very handy on my own. So hope you enjoy and have a great day.